大家好，我係 Mr. So， 今日會同大家講呢就係 S5 嘅 Mastering Mathematics Exercise 15A Question 18。OK， 審題啦。A game center has 3 categories of games: shooting games, dancing games, and sport games. Suppose there are 9 shooting games, 2 dancing games, and 5 sports games available. How many choices does a customer have if Part A.He plays one game only。又係時間重溫翻我哋喺堂上學嘅 counting 嘅技巧咯。數嘢啊，數嘢有幾個方法啦，3個。第一個呢就叫殊途同歸啊。OK， 咁即係話無論係有幾多條路都好啦，佢達成咗同一個目的呢，我哋就叫殊途同歸。OK， 第二件事呢就叫 double counted， 咁呢就喺兩 group 嘅唔同嘅人裏邊開始數嘢。點知有啲人呢就係重複嘅，咁我哋就要減咗個 double counted 嘅嘢啦。第三個呢，我哋就叫過關嘅，就係抽幾多次獎啦。如果抽超過1次嘅時候呢，我哋就話啦，過關呢，因為殊途關係呢，我哋就會用乘嘅。咁 Part A 嗰度啦，佢話：喂，而家我玩一鋪 game 喎，咁到底有幾多個選擇可言啊 ？Part A 幅圖呢，我哋就會用呢個形式去畫嘅。佢話揀一隻 game 啊嘛，咁你有幾多個方法呢？呢日呢，你就喺 shooting game 裏面揀啦，係咪？咁就第一條路啦。第二條路呢，就係喺 dancing game 裏邊又有得揀，咪3個揀1個啦。又或者呢sport game 嘅，咁無論你邊條路都好啦，最終你去揀呢啲咩9啊、3啊、5呢，都達至同一個目的，就係揀出一隻遊戲嘅啫。咁我哋就話殊途同歸啦。殊途同歸即係加埋佢啦。咁我哋發覺呢，我哋如果揀一個遊戲嚟玩呢，我哋有17個選擇 ，OK， 或者係17個方法啦。好啦，跟住 Part B 啦。How many choices does a customer have if he plays 3 games of different categories？ Categories 即係種類，即係話佢玩3隻唔同種類嘅遊戲。咁即係話 shooting game 佢又玩下 ，dancing game 佢又玩下，sport game 又玩下。shooting game 有9個，9個揀1個咯。去到 dancing game 咪3個揀1個咯。去到 sport games 咪5個揀1個咯。咁即係話呢，去3個彩池抽3次獎。畫咗幅圖出嚟呢，咁shooting game 我叫 SH， 因為sport 有個 S 啊嘛，係咪？咁第一個彩池呢就9抽1，第二個彩池呢就3抽1，第三個呢 sport game 嘅彩池呢就5抽1。好啦，抽3次獎，咁咪即係過3關咯，過3關咪即係乘咯。9乘5乘3咪就係135咯。OK， 好，睇埋 Part C 啦，又嚟咯。How many choices does a customer have if he plays 2 games of different categories？ 即係話淨係玩2類遊戲。如果淨係準玩2隻遊戲呢，咁我有3個可能性嘅。就係呢，就係你先揀咗 shooting game， 揀完 shooting 你就得翻2個選擇啦，一係就揀 dancing， 如果唔係咧就揀 sport 啦。OK， 咁就2個組合咯。第3個組合呢，就係我先揀咗 dancing， 咁再揀埋 sport， 咁就會係3個組合。嗱 Mr. So， 你點知係咁樣數啊？其實我仲有個再簡單啲嘅數嘅方法嘅。如果我哋喺3樣東西裏邊揀2樣，其實即係話有1樣呢就唔揀嘅，得唔得先？3樣東西揀2樣，有1樣嘢係唔揀嘅。咁我就最簡單啦。第一件事呢，就唔要咗紅色嘅 sport 啦，咁咪都係 shooting 同埋 dancing 啦，即係呢個位啦。又或者唔要 dancing 嘅，唔要 dancing 得翻 shooting 同埋 sport 啦，係咪？又或者唔要 shooting 嘅，唔要 shooting 咪得翻 dancing 同埋 sport 咯。點樣諗都好啦，佢都係得3個組合嘅啫。既然3條路都係達至2種遊戲嘅，咁我哋就話3條路都係殊途同歸2種遊戲。咁所以呢，我哋分別呢就將每條路都要過2關啦，咁先乘咗佢啦，抽2次獎啊嘛，係咪？跟住將3條路加埋佢，咁我哋就話過2關加過2關加過2關，咁就計咗87㗎啦。好，多謝大家，拜拜。